Hi, my name is Sue Burek. I am excited to introduce our upcoming track workshop, the Corporate Environmental Sustainability Journey. In this workshop, we'll share why sustainability is important to your organization, to your customers, and to the world. We'll draw on the 3 ROIs that were developed on the subject over the last few years. Questions are, what is the financial advantage for companies that embrace environmental sustainability in their strategy and in the new product development process? What tools and techniques and templates are available for you to incorporate into your business processes? This workshop will provide data, models, tools, and techniques to learn where you are today using the Sustainability Maturity Model assessment tool that we had developed. You'll develop an understanding of how to advance within that model, and then you'll have access and implement tools, templates, processes to be involved to improve your sustainability maturity standing. We'll see you at the workshop. We're looking forward to sharing this opportunity with you. Thank you.